Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and in this video I'm going to show you how favorites work in IPO Pro. Favorite in IPO is a way to highlight and follow the deals you're really interested in. So you can see on our dashboard, to favorite an IPO, you can click on these stars anywhere they appear on our site. You can also go to your account and your favorites page. So here you can see we have the scheduled favorites, priced favorites, filed, and any news related to your favorite companies. You can also add a company to your favorites by typing in the name or the ticker right up here. You see Bloom Energy popped up. And now a major benefit of the favorites feature is the favorites specific email alerts. So you can go up to your email preferences, and you see for favorite alerts, you can get an alert every time your favorite IPO schedules, updates their terms, postpones or withdraws, and prices. If you want to see what one of these alerts looks like, this is Pluralsight's pricing alert. So you get relevant deal information and a quick blurb about the company. And of course, that links directly over to the profile. That's the end of our video on favorites. Thank you for watching.